Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the shapes on your video in the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Vidnoz website and then we have to create our account. And then we have to choose the which AI character you want to use. And after choosing that, what we need to do, simply we need to go to the shape section. So let's click on the shape section. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to see the different types of shape. A lot of shapes are provided here. For example, I want to add this one, so you have to choose this. And now if you want to place this here, you can also do that. And I'm going to click on this, as you can see. Now you can also get the option like the timeline. You can layer position. If you want to change the position of this, you can also do that, like where, here, whatever, wherever you want. And if you want to animate this, you can also animate this. As you can see, different types of animations are provided here. It's up to you. For example, I have added the animation. If you want to change the color of the shape, you can also do that. Now the colors are here provided here. For example, this one, whatever you want. And these multiple shapes are also provided here. If you click on the shape, like these shapes are also provided here. These are the known as outlined shapes, and these shapes are also provided here. So in this way, you can add the shape into your video of your Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the shapes on your video. So see you guys in the next video.